In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test camera on Microsoft Teams. By the end, you'll know exactly how to preview your video and confirm everything is working before you join a call. Start by opening your browser and going to the Microsoft Teams meeting page. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that. You can follow along in the web version, and the experience is very similar if you're using the desktop app. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the calendar. This is where all of your upcoming meetings and test events live. It's easy to overlook if you're new to Teams, so take a moment to find that vertical navigation bar and locate the calendar icon. Click Calendar to open your schedule. You should see your meetings laid out by day and time. For this walkthrough, find the sample meeting you set up for testing. Using a sample or test event is a safe way to check your camera without surprising anyone else in a real meeting. Click the sample meeting to open its details. Inside the meeting window, you'll see an option to join. Click Join. You're not going straight into the call yet. Teams will first take you to the pre-join screen, which is exactly where we want to be to test the camera. On the pre-join screen, locate the camera icon. This is the on and off button for your video. Click it to turn your camera on, and you should see a live preview of yourself appear. If your browser asks for permission to use the camera, choose Allow so Teams can access it. Toggling the camera off and back on again is a quick way to confirm the button responds and that your video feed appears consistently. Take a moment to check your framing and lighting. If the preview is dark or frozen, make sure the camera lens isn't covered, close any other app that might be using the camera, and refresh the page if needed. If your device has more than one camera, this screen typically lets you choose which one to preview so you can confirm you're using the right one. No need to overthink it. Seeing your live preview is the confirmation you're after. Once you're satisfied that the camera works, you can simply close the window if you were only testing, or continue into the meeting if you're ready. That's all there is to it. Open Teams, go to Calendar, select your sample meeting, click Join, and use the camera toggle to verify your video is good to go.